Welcome, entrepreneurs, and in today's video we're going to go over how to use and generate an API key in your sub account and connect it with Zapier in order to do a ton of other things, right? So Zapier connects with 7,500 different apps right now. So if you want to connect your Go High Level account, or in my case, my white labeled is Nurture to Profit, you want to connect that with another software that doesn't normally connect, then this is the video for you. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so we have Zapier, and let's go into Zaps. And then I believe I just go to apps. Here we are. All right, so if we're going to add a connection, this is the biggest thing. So if we want to connect Go High Level to Zapier, we're just going to type in lead connector. So lead connector is the app that bridges it. So if we go in here, it's going to say, hey, we need an API key. Okay, and so there's a couple different ways of getting this API key. If you have only sub-account access, okay, I'm already here, but if you go back to here's your agency dashboard, there's obviously a bunch of different tabs, but if you hit settings and then you go down to API keys, here's your agency API key. And that is going to be a little bit more advanced. We're not going to be going over that, but if you're going to be doing a little bit of, API work, then that is obviously the key for you. Now, inside of all of these, there's a whole bunch of different sub accounts in here, but let's just hypothetically go to online business owner here, and then let's get into settings. So we're in the sub account now. We're going to hit settings, and I believe if we hit API key right here, so I'm just in business profile, we're going to hit generate. Okay, there it is. I'm going to hit copy. All right, and so all we're simply going to do is we're just going to tab into this right here. We're going to paste it, and we're going to hit yes, continue to lead connector. Okay, so this is the one connected 5 seconds ago. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come in here and I'm going to edit connection name, and I'm just going to name it online business owner. Now, I don't like using spaces. I don't know why. It's just always been something. But the reason I do this is you look at mine. I have how many accounts in here? I've added some that you have no idea whose account this is, right? So what I really like doing is I like being able to go into and finding the exact name of the account that I'm trying to find. It's just way quicker. Just get in the habit of doing it in this one go. I think if we go now home, and let's just create a Zap. So I'm usually Zaps, and I'm just going to stay in here. I'm going to hit create, new Zap. Okay, so regardless of the trigger, let's just go to the action step. I'm just going to click on action step. There we go. And then I'm going to type in lead connector. There we are. Okay, so now we're going to choose an event. Hypothetically, let's just say I'm going to add people to a campaign. Hit continue. I'm going to choose the account now and see how online business owners right here. Boom. Connect that. Now I can do a whole bunch of different things. So depending on what the trigger is, or depending on, how or what I want to do inside a lead connector. I have a previous video I just shot that was, how to connect, how to take someone in Google Sheets and add them into your Go High Level Nurture to Profit account. And the way that I did that was you put a row inside of a Google Sheets that automatically adds them as a contact and into a pipeline stage inside of your CRM and your pipelines opportunities. And so if you're going to be doing something along those lines, right? I'll link the video somewhere here where you can go watch it. But this will be a good tutorial on how to actually get your Nurture to Profit account inside so you can actually effectively hook those up. So I think one of my quickest videos. I hope you got some value. If you need some help, want to book a call and talk about how we can help your company and systems automations, whatever it might be, go ahead and book a call down below. If you would like to have 7-day free trial on Nurture to Profit, also down below. And if you have any video ideas on what I should do next, please, how I make so many videos and I get so many ideas is I struggle with figuring out what people are struggling with because I've been using it since 2018. So thanks so much. Cheers.